I didn't hear the EAR-10.
Between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can
the broken WR-100 went off.
Quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Champaign, Clark, Delaware, Fairfield, Fayette, Franklin, Greene, Hocking, Knox, Licking, Madison, Marion, Morrow, Muskingum, Perry, Tickaway, and Union. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station KIG-86 Columbus, Ohio.
Dude, it actually went
Now
off.
looking at the weather patterns affecting the southern Great Lakes and Ohio Valley region.
I did not expect it to actually go.
System continues to move through and impact our area, bringing periods of rain, showers, and gusty.
I wasn't in here when it all went off because I was upstairs in the attic. But I'm pretty sure this went off on the third header. And I did not hear this at all. So I'm going to go ahead and watch the video. Hey, they were relatively on time though. I am aware. Shut up. Well, that broken WR-100 actually went off. It's actually my first WR-100. It only works when it wants to. This was kind of a weird test because I'm pretty sure the ER radios actually shut off on their own. Kind of interesting. That one's kind of blinking. Yeah. I let those stay up here and start blaring because I like the way their sirens sound. Yeah. Interesting.